Collocations used in daily English. Make a decision, to choose between options. Example, she made the decision to move abroad, take a break, to rest for a short time. Example, let's take a break after this meeting, catch a cold, to become sick with a cold. Example, he caught a cold during the rainy season. Break the rules, to disobey or not follow the rules. Example, students should not break the rules at school. Keep in touch, to maintain contact with someone. Example, we promise to keep in touch after college. Pay attention, to focus or listen carefully. Example, please pay attention to the teacher's instructions.